Man, a lot of jackpot here. Trolling from morning, just hook up on 2 jack right here. Alright. So that is mine. I just catch that one. That one I'm going to jerk that one. This one is a nice one too. Hold on. Not bad at all, not bad at all. People must be wondering what to do with so much jack. Tell you what we do, we sell them. People eat these things in Jamaica. We sell them back to people who want them. That is the angler there. Alright. About 7 pounds. Alright. This one is about 3 or 4 pounds. But it's a nice one. You can jerk this one. That one I've been lowering is more this one. Jerk this. Go! This one is in the blue boat. Sorry, this one, huh? This one would be better. This one couldn't make it neither. Alright. Lots of birds out here, lot of action. Look at that. Fish on, fish on. Look at that fish. Fish on, look at that. Yeah, hold him on, hold him, hold him. There it is. Yeah. Good run. Yeah, good run, good run, good run. Yeah, so look up on some big jacks out here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, lots of jacks out here, man. Look at that, man. fish on again, fish on. Another great job. Alright, this is a Jack Madness. Jack Madness today. Jack, put on the glasses there, cause them. Yes.
This one.
On the big. Body up, man. Yeah. Body up like my friend Black Tip. Yeah. Black Tip style. Look at Jack here come body up. Body up. Catching some shark bait. Going shark fishing tomorrow. Look up on some big guys, you know.
Okay.
Good fight, man, good fight. Look at the angler. Angler sweating like crazy, man. This one is a big one. Oh, this one. Nice, nice. Yeah. That's a nice big one. Nice to go shark fishing with that one. I just take that one out, put it on the floor, and then cast it. Ah, there's one. Fish on again. Fish on again. Ah, that's great. Good fun. Yeah. Hold that one. That's a good one.
First cast. First cast.
Yes, nice one, nice one. Ah, that is one. Look at the man, look at the man. The man have one in the hand and one on the rod. That is great.
First cast.
Alright, good fun. So you're going to fight that one now. You're going to body him up now? Come on, body him up. Next time we tell Lewis Industrial Garage to pay for this one. This is advertisement for him. Lewis Industrial Garage. That is where the man works. not that big. I don't know about it. Like him small still.
Alright. Which new?
Reach near now. Bring him to the surface. Let me see what size is that one.
Ah! Come on, come on.
Stop on.
Yeah.
Alright. Give him about a minute more. It's better than lifting weights.
Ah! Yeah.
Bring him to the surface now. Bring him to the surface. Show him who's boss around here.
So who's boss? Who's boss? Boss. Who's boss? Come here. Come here. Who's boss over here?
Not ready yet, man. Not ready as yet.
Up here, up here.
Fish playing hide and seek.
Back of gun. I'm out. Okay.
So,
Let's get these two or whatever.
good fishing. Jack fishing today. Jack madness.
Guess what? You can't hold it.
Yeah, the eagle can't hold, so maybe we have to just stop right here. Alright, that's a good one. Nice fish.
Yeah. Yeah, your time now. Watch your rod, watch your rod. Fish on, fish on. See there? You have him? Ah. That's another one. That's Ron. We're having a good day today. Wonderful day. Catching a lot of jacks. That's a good one. Look at the weight.
This is the pen fierce.
Ron using a thin fierce.
very heavy rod, but you can get the job done.
Right.
Catch like 60 pounds, 70 pound tarpons on this rod. Took a little while to fight them in a bit.
Big one, right? Right here. Yes, that's a big one. That's a good one.
So this is a nice size rod. You can get it with the water.
Good one, Rowan. Good one. Lovely. Good one.
Oh, birds again. Look at that now. I can tell that that rod is going to run anytime now. Any moment now, any moment. Ah, there it is, fish on. Look at that. Nice hook up. That's a good one, that's a good one. Ah, look at this, oh my, this one, look at this rod. Oh my, this is my rod now, you know. What is going to happen out here this morning? Look at that. Ah, great fishing. Alright. Ah, that is one on. Yeah, fish on again. Yeah, hold him. Yeah, so this is the last one for the day. Yeah, too much jack now. That is more than enough shark bait. And what this deer can give away, jerk. Some can turn shark bait. All the rest of stuff can do with that. Good fishing though, great day, nice weather. It doesn't get any better than this in Jamaica when it comes down to the jacks. Give us a good workout for the day. I don't think I have to go to the gym again. Come on, bring him to the surface. I need to see that one. Yeah. Well, that's a jack. Jack Crevel. Nice fighting fish. When you catch one of these fish, you know, you get a good workout. Alright. Jack Crevel.